We all think the dark knows, so we put life in their hands. Belief comes from online, but that belief is never questioned. Cause it's easier to believe what's in front of you than what is behind the words spoken. Samuel said we're suspended in disbelief, but Simon said believe. Simon said, please believe me, we're so needy. That's why you'll fool you on your own. We believe it, it's so easy. Belief is needed cause it's all you know. It's not only lies that I advertise here, but hear the right words, you're all in, cause you just did what you were told. You're always the consumer if you consume what is yours. Mind what you know, internal gauge, without sense of self, we're all easily swayed. Please believe me, we're so needy. That's why you'll fool you on your own. We believe it, it's so easy. Belief is needed cause it's all you know. All we know, all we know, belief is all we know, all we know. Please believe me, we're so needy. That's why you'll fool you on your own. We believe it, it's so easy. Belief is
What's up, y'all? I tell you, my son and I just finished a workout and it was difficult. Now we are getting ready to have our protein shake because after you work out, you do want to have some type of protein in your body. So we're gonna go ahead and get that shake made. So I've never used this protein shake before, but I saw it at the store, so I just thought that I would pick it up. So we're gonna get this going. So we're just gonna use a mixed berry blend that has strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries in it, and then we're gonna pop a banana in it. So I got a little crushed ice in my cup. I'm just gonna put just a little bit of orange juice in mine for the liquid. You guys do y'all's how you want to. I'm not really sure how to do it. Then I'm gonna put some berries in. I don't want a lot. A little bit of spinach. And stick it in. We're gonna put bananas.
Oh, yeah.
Then I'm gonna top it with a little bit of banana. Just a little bit. And is that all I'm supposed to have in it? It ain't very much liquid, is it? I'm supposed to have a little bit more liquid because last time I had that problem. Oh, we didn't put the protein powder. You're supposed to be opening that to put the protein powder in it. Main reason we were making it is for the protein powder. What are you waiting on? How many scoops are we supposed to have?
1 to 2 scoops and 6 to 12 ounces.
Okay, give me a scoop. I just want 1 scoop. And I just got the strawberry flavor protein powder. It comes in vanilla and strawberry. But since I had berries, I just got the strawberry. We're supposed to do 1 scoop? That's a big scoop. Oh, goodness. Oh, guys, that's a big scoop. I don't know, guys. I might need to add some more liquid to this. I hope it's good. All right. You ready for yours? Get your, here's yours, AJ. Want to rinse that off? Or my top on it. Let's give it a shake. Try. Okay. I'm gonna be honest. It probably was good before I put that protein powder in it. I can taste that artificial strawberry powdery flavor. It could be worse. Once you keep taking it, I think you'll probably get used to it. But it's my first time having it, and it's not all that great. And I'm not a smoothie person anyway. I'm gonna add a little bit more orange juice to mine. See if I can break that up a little bit. Let's see. It's not the best, but you need it. If you're gonna be working out, you need to have some type of protein to rebuild your muscles. So if you don't have time to actually eat a meal with some protein and things in it, then a protein shake or smoothie is probably the way to go. Now AJ's gonna make his, he's gonna make his with yogurt instead of the orange juice, right? Get over here. You're using blueberry yogurt? So you put your shake, you put your powder in first. Did you do 1 scoop or 2?
Yeah.
There's your banana. You're gonna put this. You can't taste the spinach.
Okay.
No, you need this one. Did you put ice in yours? Be careful when you take that lid off because it'll seal. Oh, it is. Taste it. Taste it on camera so we can see. Look at the camera. Do you like it? It's the protein powder, isn't it? It takes some getting used to. It's not, I mean, once you keep drinking it, I think you'll get a taste for it. What do you need to add to it to make it better?
Nothing, is the powder.
But try to make the flavor.
If I didn't add the powder, this would be heat. But that powder just ruined it.
What we need to do is probably add less. That scoop is a big scoop.
Nah, we need to not get strawberry flavor powder. If I'm gonna protein get chocolate flavor powder, then all we do is put milk and ice cream in there and we got a protein shake.
But I want smoothies for some fruit. They have vanilla flavor as well.
No.
Well, we're gonna drink it, at least most of it, because we got to build our muscles back up. So, anyway, and we got this big old container over here that we need to use. I think it's gonna get better as we keep doing it. I think our taste buds will get used to it, like with most stuff. So, anyway, guys, we're gonna finish these smoothies and get back with you later. Okay, guys, I talked about possibly getting a shelf in my room, and so my son and husband put a shelf together for me, and I wanted to show it to you. So So here it is. It's a thin shelf, but this room is kind of small. That's all I kind of wanted for it wanted right now, because I'm not sure, for one, how I'm going to decorate this room, because it is a guest room, and I didn't want so much in here that if we do have a guest come to stay, that they don't have anywhere to be. So I'm going to start out with this, and if it looks like I need to get another one to put beside it, I can, and maybe I'll move the shelves to a different wall, or I'll move my desk to a different wall. But anyway, that is what I have right now. So I am going to start putting my stuff on it, and we'll see what we come up with. Guys, for dinner, I made some honey balsamic chicken thighs. These are boneless, skinless, courtesy of NaturalRae's recipe. I haven't tried it yet, but it looks like my husband ate, or at least tried a piece. Now hers has skin on it and bone in it, but mine are boneless, skinless, so we'll see. Then I also made some roasted asparagus, and I have some rice right there. So that is our dinner for today. It's a nice day, so I'm letting Cuddy out and get some air. So and I need to get my mulch and everything done for this year. My lilies look like they're growing. I think I'm going to pull them up though, because they get so big and they take over. So I think I'm going to pull them up and do something different. These are getting leaves back on them. So here's some more lilies. And this stuff that looks like weeds, I was told that it was some type of plant, which I didn't plant. It just started coming up, so they're thinking maybe birds brought the seeds. It kind of looks like a ground cover. Quiet. Yeah, so I'm gonna get all that taken care of and put some new stuff out here, I think.
Give it a few more minutes.